Hi guys, welcome to Honest Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Hey guys, welcome to a video that I thought would be useful. Now, this video is about the new braided solo loop and the solo loop. Now, these two have been introduced with the Apple Watch Series 6 and Apple Watch SE. Now, I've ordered them and I've used the sheet that they provide with it, and I'll be telling you it's quite off. So let's look into this. So first of all, what you do is you go into the website and you buy the solo loop or whatever, and it's got your measurement there, and it's got a click link. That's the link you click, and when you click that link, it brings up another page, and on this page you can see the highlighted hyperlink. If you click on this, you can print this or print the document that I've got here off. Now, what you need to do with this document is it has to be printed on an A4 size paper, and you can put a credit card here just to suss out if it's the right size. After you've done that, you would need to cut this part out. Now, before that, what I would like to say is, let's try this out actually. Let's give this a cut. This video is just to make sure that you guys don't fall into the same trap as myself and order the wrong band and then have the heartache of returning the band and getting the other one due to coronavirus, or where you are in the world, I guess. If you don't have an Apple store or access to an Apple store, like I'm in Victoria in Australia, and we don't have access to an Apple store at the moment. They've been closed. So let's see, first of all, what my size is. Okay, so how this works is you just go around like that and get it done so that you can see. Now, that's really tight. Like, I've got it tight, yeah? Like, I'm in a 10. Like, I'm in a 10. I don't know if it's supposed to be these marks, but it's from here to here is 1, from here to here is 2. So I'm between, like, if I'm really snug, like look at that. Like, that's snug. I'm a 9. So I'm a 10, okay? So, and that's comfortable. I'm between a 10 and an 11 according to this, okay? So what I did was this is the Apple Watch SE. I've ordered this in a size 10 with a solo loop, and this is the braided solo loop Apple Watch Series 6, which I've ordered with the 11 size. So let's give the 11 size a try, which looked fine. I'll show it again to you guys. It shouldn't be that off. So that's where I like to wear my Apple Watch. So that's good and that's comfortable, you know, that's comfy for me. I like it a tiny bit loose. Now, let's go with 11 and try this on. Now, as you can see, I don't know, in the video, that's really loose. You know what I mean? Like, that's the amount of looseness. I can fit 2 fingers underneath, easy. Then, like, it's just moving around. And as you can appreciate, if you're going for a run and if it's doing this, you're not going to get a heart rate monitor working. Okay, let's open this up and let's go into the oxygen thing. And that's another flimsy thing as well. If it's not snug, it's not going to give you a proper reading. And it's going to say that the result was cancelled because you were moving a lot, or it's not snug and things like that. So let's see if okay, so there you go. So unsuccessful. Blood oxygen could not be measured because it's too loose or you've been moving around. So let's go on to the 10th. I'll go back again to the wrist thing that I used, and I'll show you guys that it's absolutely a 10. It's snug. 10 is snug. Look, if I go push it to 9-ish, it just like it's squeezing my arm, okay? So 10 is snug according to the thing. So that's a 10. That's a 10. And I'm still feeling loose. If you can see, like it's pretty loose. It's moving around, you know, on my skin. I can still easily fit a finger underneath without it going too tight. So that's really annoying. And yeah, so what I would like you to do is grab the measuring tool that they provide. First of all, if you've got an Apple store, go to an Apple store, end of story. But because of coronavirus, if you can't, then if you download this, go absolutely in, like just like squeeze it right in, and whatever measurement you get, 9, just go with that. Just go with 9, okay? Don't worry about how tight it is. I can't go to an 8, but a 9 I can. Now I just wanted to show you guys how I normally wear my Apple Watch. So this is my Series 5 that I'm using at the moment. It's not that tight. I don't go tight like that. It's quite loose how I wear it, you know. But it's not that loose for it to move around. You know what I mean? I'm pushing it a lot to make it move around. Like, look at that. That's snug on to my wrist, and it's holding it tight, you know. Whereas this just doesn't feel right to me. Just is, I think a 9 would have been really good. It's just too loose. Look at that. That's the amount of looseness in there. So anyways, let me know. That's it, guys. So I'll go probably, like, if whatever fits, -1. So 10 fit me well, so go -1 and get the 9th. But first, go to the Apple store, try and get it there. If you can't, or get that tool, get a size smaller, or get it really tight, and hope for the best, I guess. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Thank you. Goodbye.